Assalamu alaikum. How are all of you? I hope you will be fine. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Today, our lecture is about the speaking practice of description of my daily routine in present continuous tense with the help of simple sentences. With the help of simple sentences, you can also describe your daily routine in any tense. Today, we are describing our daily routine or my daily routine life in present continuous tense. I hope after watching this lecture, you will be able to describe your daily routine life in your own words or simple sentences. You can try to describe your daily routine life in simple sentences with the help of. Let's start. I'm describing my daily routine life in present continuous tense with the help of simple sentences. You can also describe your daily routine life in present continuous tense by watching this video or by using simple sentences. I am waking up in the morning at 5 a.m. First of all, I offer my prayer. I am going for a walk at 6 a.m. I am making bed of my family members. After that, I am making breakfast for all of us. We are taking breakfast at 8 a.m. These simple sentences are showing that I'm describing my daily routine from waking up or from 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. From my waking up routine till my making breakfast routine and having breakfast with my family members. Now I am describing rest of my daily routine in present continuous tense with the help of simple sentences from breakfast till lunch. My children are going to school. Rest of my family members are going to their offices. I am washing dishes. I am cleaning my home. I am making lunch for all. We gather for lunch at 2 p.m. After lunch, they are going back to their work. I am going to market. These simple sentences are showing that I have described my routine in present continuous tense from breakfast till lunch or till my own work. You can also describe your routine from breakfast till lunch in your own words in present continuous tense with the help of simple sentences. I am buying fruits and vegetables from market. I am going to buy crockery. My children are sleeping after lunch. I am making tea. We are drinking tea at 6 p.m. My children are doing their homework. I am watching my favorite TV program. We all are getting dinner at 9 p.m. This is routine of my life from lunch till dinner. You can also describe your routine of life or your daily routine of life in your own words with the help of simple sentences. I am making beds for my family members. I am making beds for my family members. I am locking doors of my home. I am checking my emails or social media. I am turning off lights. I am going to sleep. I hope you will watch this video, and after watching this video, you will be able to make short sentences and you will able to describe your daily routine life in present continuous tense. Thank you for watching.